Is AI a consumer product or a public utility? This is the question defining the next decade of governance. Take Malta, for example. This European country will provide the AI intelligence as a free utility. On May 15, 2026, OpenAI and government announced that this country would provide free ChatGPT Plus to all citizens. They are not just giving away ChatGPT subscriptions to their citizens. They are building a national AI onboarding pipeline, a structured system to integrate AI into the national infrastructure and public utilities by gating access behind the certification. The government is essentially certifying their entire workforce. This isn't just a perk, it's a strategic move to prepare for an AI-native economy. This brings us to a massive shift in how we think about infrastructure. For product managers, the lesson is clear. Governments are moving from procuring software to procuring intelligence. Think of it like the shift from buying typewriters for each classroom to providing free internet access and Wi-Fi across the university campus. Intelligence is the new layer. So how does your go-to-market strategy change? If a government is already providing a standard utility like ChatGPT Plus, if the entire addressable market already has a baseline AI tool, what is your product's unique value proposition? Does this raise or lower the bar for you? I'd argue it raises it significantly. You must provide specialized intelligence. General intelligence is becoming a utility. Your value now lies in vertical expertise and deep integration. We are seeing the birth of an intelligence layer that every other product will have to build upon. Now, let's talk about how this impacts your roadmap today. If AI becomes a national utility in your region one day, do you have a plan to integrate with that state-provided foundation? Or are you fighting for the same user time as a tool that's already pre-installed by the government? Your roadmap needs to account for this utility layer. Audit your unique data and vertical logic now. The era of AI as a utility is here. Malta is just the first domino in a global shift. This is AI Product Talk. Subscribe for more AI terms explained for the business world.